No, don't do that. Good. Cold.
Is it cold?
I might just punch a hole in it right now. I might just put my fish through it.
Okay guys, I've completely blitzed the room. Head to toe. Head to toe. We created this little shoe rack. Just cleaned and cleared the whole space. I'm tired. I'm gonna have a shower, wash my hair, do the full lot. Okay guys, my hair is washed. I have these little eye masks on. I have a cup of coffee on the Psycho, and I'm also now just gonna relax and read. It's got me out of my reading, what's it called? Slum of about 3 years, so really loving this. Perfect evening. I'll debrief you on this book when I'm not scared to talk. Guys, it's now the next day. We have a new addition to the room.
Somewhere in there?
Yeah. What does that do?
What? That's the milk frother.
Yeah, there's a milk frother.
Yeah. Come on, fuck me, this is proper blood.
I think. Why is that annoying me though?
Yeah, you have to put that behind, but... What would you change? Can we move the kettle over here?
Okay, taste test for our first coffee out in the coffee machine. Good, but cold.
Is it cold?
It did take us 20 minutes to make it, to be fair. That is way better, isn't it, to be fair? Oh my god, that is way better.
Now what do we do with this? Because this just seems like is that not just another one that we can use?
Yes, clean it out.
Yeah. Good morning. We're using the coffee machine for the first time myself. Connor did it yesterday. Coffee of choice. Guys, I'm whispering because there's people in. Having the time of my life because it's officially becoming autumn.
Finally
Rain, and it's thundering, and the Jonas Brothers are on the TV.
That's piping hot tea. On a golf trip with his boys.
He lives in a state that I won't name, Montana.
Fucking
on
dead.
his own.
I'm fucking dead.
Guys, it's Saturday. We're having a date day.
Yeah, we are.
Because even if you spend every day together, oh, don't do that. You need to spend quality time together. The tip, then we're going to get a matcha from this new matcha place in Stourbridge, and then we're going on a walk. And then
what are we doing?
we're doing this painting challenge. Maybe a glass of something
Or a
on the
couple.
side. Oh, and we're making katsu curry.
Oh.
Guys, we've been to the tip. We're now on the way to Matcha Nojo.
We're now going to do the find the parking spot challenge, Impossible Edition.
This is where we had our second day. Not a Matcha Nojo. Matcha, Kinder Bueno, coffee. 10
Unreal.
out of 10. Now we're going on a walk. We're off on a walk, guys.
Walking and talking. That's what we do.
Guys, we've only just started. Look at the gradient.
We're going up there.
Oh my god.
How are we puffing like this? We've done 10 steps.
We haven't done this in a while.
We haven't walked in a while, to be fair.
My God.
Hurting.
I'm stuck. Ow.
Calves are hurting. Ow. Ah, my leg.
Okay. You're so He's got your slime. Guys, we're back from the walk and we're now making a katsu curry, so join us. Do you need to peel it? Peel it?
Cut that shit off and then just rock it. Oh. What the fuck just happened? I haven't even peeled the first carrot yet, I'm just going wrong.
I swear to God, I was just joking. I'm not eating any more of that raw carrot.
Remove about 2/3 of the vegetables and blitz it until it's back into the pot, and you should have a sauce.
So you're not adding the garlic yet? You're going to try them off first. Please. Sous chef.
Your weapon of choice.
Wow. Okay. Okay, the sauce isn't looking as presentable, but I'm pretty sure it's going to taste delicious. Test. Chicken. Connor.
No.
Ready? No.
Oh my fucking God.
That is insane. Okay guys, we're now doing a painting challenge. This is our little setting. I'm trying to get the paint open. This is what we've got with for this one.
I might just punch a hole in it right now. I might just put my fish through it because it's pissing me off to look at.
Yeah, but you probably could have done something. I hadn't ruined it with the purple.
Look at it, man. What is that?
That's what we ended on with this one. Finished on for that one. And we tried to get this one back by saying that was like a nuclear something that opened, but
that one's just a fucking train wreck, innit? Let's be real. That was the centrepiece.
That's actually quite good, I think.
I'm going to take your advice next time and do a background first.